Hi, welcome to TME Education, and this is Itamar. That's the second part. Okay, we're talking about how to control a DC fan. Okay, a 12-volt DC fan using Thermistor and Arduino Uno. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to put it in here, okay, like that, okay, and the VCC, okay, is going not ground. Ground is going to be going here, okay, guys, like that. So that's the output, okay, of our 5-volt DC module. Okay, now the wire that coming from common, okay, common is going, I'm going to connect it to the VCC of our 12-volt power supply, and the ground, okay, of our fan, okay, to ground, okay, like that. Okay, guys. Okay. I made some changes, but the build is still the same, okay, don't worry. So now I think we're done with our build, okay. It's time to type our program, okay, guys. So let's do it. So guys, before we go on typing our code, let me tell you something. I made a mistake, okay. So the VCC of our 5-volt relay module is going to VCC here, okay, here on this side, not here, okay, guys. That's the ground, okay, here, okay, and that's the VCC, okay. So now let's type our program. Now I'm going to go ahead and type define I'm going to define the variable fan, okay, is our 12-volt DC fan, okay. It's the pin 5 of the Arduino Uno. Again, define, and that time I'm going to write analog pin 0. Here is the analog pin A0. Now inside of void setup, okay, I'm going to type serial begin, okay, 96600 for communication. Now inside of void loop, okay, I'm going to type the syntax of analogread function, okay. The value val is to be saving, okay, the value coming from analogread function. Now if the variable val, okay, value is greater than or equal to 500, so the analog the DC fan is going to turn